And once again, I just stopped vlogging. It's nighttime, it's 9:45. I have on You've Got Mail. Before this, I actually watched Uncle Buck. I'm sitting here editing a Dollar Tree haul, but my cough has really been bothering me the last couple of hours. I don't have anything burning. I haven't burned any candles today. I just don't know what's bothering me, but I'm gonna make myself some tea and then I need to take my antibiotic. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, I still have to do like a whole clean out of this, but what mug do I want? Let's go with this one. That looks dirty, but it's not. While that steeps, gives me about 10-15 minutes, and in that 10-15 minutes I'm going to use in that 10 and 15 minutes I'm going to use this time to basically get in my pajamas, kind of get unready, get all this makeup off, and that way I'm kind of maximizing my time. I'm going to go ahead and close these blinds. Forgot one. Alright, let's see. I think I'm gonna go for the navy. So I haven't worn the navy yet. I've worn the red shorts, but I haven't worn the red top. And I've worn the black gingham one twice so far. So we're gonna go with navy tonight. What are you doing, Vox? What are you doing? 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 You rolled overs? You rolled overs? And I'm all done. Sorry I didn't film that part. I just wanted to like kind of do it really quickly. And filming things just kind of takes, you know, a little bit longer. So, got on my pajamas. I washed my face. There's always like, I don't know how people get out so much makeup, but I always still have makeup left over on my eyes. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some socks. That also helps me with my coughing. I know that sounds crazy, but socks and scarves always just do wonders for me. But okay, I think my tea's probably ready. And when I know I'm gonna be in my room in like the next 30 minutes, what I like to do is kind of set my room so that it's ready for when I'm coming in here. So I know it sounds weird, but I guess it's just like a comforting thing that I like to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Fraser on. And then I'm gonna set the air filter and the humidifier so that it's already going and working and cleaning my air before I sleep. Good morning. Laxi says good morning too. She was all comfy and I woke her up. It is getting cold this week here in Dallas, and it's kind of nice for a change. I'm not sure how this vlog, to be honest, excuse me, is going to go, because I just don't know that I have any plans finalized in my mind. I do know that I need to go return all the extra homecoming stuff that I got at Michael's that I don't need, because that stuff is really costly. And my outfit of the day is not anything special. Sorry it's dark in my room, but it's just a workout outfit. This is what I'm going to live in today. I am going to give my face a break from makeup. I do have to film a Dollar Tree haul. Look at my room. I do have to film my, not Dollar Tree haul, but my Dollar Tree candy haul. So I gotta get that done, and I don't know if I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup, but I'm basically gonna be wearing this in that video. And I've got my favorite pants, Forever 21. This is a black top, Forever 21. Oops, I forgot to pull this out when I washed my face. And then this little crop top sweater is also Forever 21, which you might have seen in a haul already. And then my white Nike hat to just kind of break up, because I had so many different colors going, I thought it'd be kind of cute to keep that going. So gray, white, black, and then I'll probably end up wearing black Nikes though with this. So that's the OOTD, ladies. Alright, so I just started a DIY for my main channel. In case you didn't know and you just found my vlog instead of my main channel, which my main channel is Cheap Crafty Girl, or technically Crafty Girl now, but you can still actually find it by either way. I wanted to make more witches brooms, but I just don't know that I'm going to have the time. But I may run to Walmart today, so if I remember, I'll get some more brooms and get some of them knocked out. I'm also going to be in this process reorganizing my holiday decor into proper storage containers. I feel like everything is in mismatched stuff. Some are in containers, some are in boxes, and boxes is just not a great way to store holiday stuff, to be honest. All right, I'm getting ready to leave, so I've got my Michael's stuff I need to return. I'm also going to return some Dollar Tree ribbon as well that I got for homecoming, so that's going to go back as well. I'm not sure what else. I'm also going to stop, I think, at Subway to get my daughter some lunch.
If I could take you up in boom, boom, bosh, boom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. You up in boom, boom, bosh, boom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Okay, so I basically got back $20, which, hey, I will take that. I mean, $20 of material that I'm just not going to use, you know? I think the very last clip was Subway, so I did get that over to my daughter. And did you see the Dollar Tree clip or not? I think I talked about it though on my way to Subway, yeah. So anyway, back home now, and I just finished editing my fall nighttime routine video, and I have a pile of laundry that I need to fold. I need to get on my laundry, and I have a whole setup back there for like Halloween DIYs that I need to do, and I want to really get to planning this weekend. I think I'm going to reserve Sunday for this, but I also want to like go to a pumpkin patch with my daughter on Sunday. So yeah, and Saturday's the homecoming day, the hair, the makeup, the pictures, and they go to dinner and all that stuff. So so Saturday's gonna be kind of like a tricky day to try to even fit into that, and I don't even know that I'm gonna vlog that day period. So we'll just kind of see. I have on Uncle Buck, and so now I'm going to basically fold this laundry. I think that's going to be the end of this vlog. If not, there's going to be clips to follow in case I just decide to change my mind. But again, just trying to keep my vlogs a little bit shorter. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.